Assalamualaikum everyone! Today it's my birthday and I want to spend it with you all. So my mom has prepared this very delicious Peshawari feast. Let me show it to you. My mom made a Peshawari menu for my birthday. This is Kabli pulao, chicken karahi. My sister brought these pastries. I made these mug cakes, vanilla mug cakes from my class fellow's recipe. I'm going to share the recipe as well. This is the total menu. It looks so delicious. To make these delicious vanilla mug cakes, we will need all these ingredients. We'll need around 2 cups icing sugar, 1 cup sifted all-purpose flour. We'll need 6 tablespoons castor sugar, 2 tablespoons canola oil. We'll need 200 grams room temperature unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons full cream milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. We need a dash of salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 2 eggs. To make the buttercream icing, I'm using 4 different food colorings and flavorings. I'm using blue food coloring with cherry essence, rose essence with red food coloring, pineapple essence with yellow food coloring, coconut essence with green food coloring. You can use any food coloring and essence as you like. We'll also need some colorful bunties, sprinkles, and edible pearls. This is completely optional. We'll also need some piping tips and a spatula, Ziploc bags, mixing bowl, and an electric mixer. So let's get started. In a large mixing bowl, I'm adding in the flour, all-purpose flour. Add in the castor sugar, baking powder, and dash of salt. Mix this. Adding in the cooking oil and the milk. Adding in the 2 nicely beaten eggs. Adding in around 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. You can see I've nicely mixed this cake mixture with the help of a spatula. Now I'm going to pour it into 4 microwave safe mugs. I've poured the cake mixture into these mugs. You can see these are only half full. I'm adding the bunties into it now. I'm now placing these into the microwave oven. It's looking so colorful. I've placed these in the microwave for 1 minute. Now I'm going to keep it in here for 1 more minute, 10 seconds at a time. I've taken these out of the microwave oven And if you feel that it's a little raw, you can add it again for 10 more seconds. I've added room temperature unsalted butter into a large mixing bowl. Now I'm going to mix it with the help of an electric mixer. You can see I've nicely mixed the butter. Its color has changed into light yellow. Now I'm going to add in the icing sugar. I'm adding a little bit of icing sugar at a time. Now I'm going to mix it with the help of a spatula. Adding in the remaining icing sugar. I've repeated the same procedure. Now we've got delicious buttercream frosting. I've divided the buttercream frosting into 4 bowls. Now I'm going to add in the flavorings and essences. First I'm adding some blue food coloring. And cherry essence. You can see this gorgeous blue color after mixing in the blue food coloring and the cherry essence. Now I'm adding in red food coloring. And rose essence. I've got this beautiful rose red color after mixing it with the electric beater. I'm just adding a little more food coloring to give it a darker color, darker shade. Now I'm adding green food coloring. And coconut essence. I added more green food coloring and coconut essence. Now I'm adding the yellow food coloring. It has a slight orange shade. Adding in the pineapple essence. Added a bit more yellow food coloring so that it becomes brighter in shade. We've got this orange color. It's coming a bit light in the video. The vanilla mug cakes are now ready. Before decorating these vanilla mug cakes, I kept the frosting in the freezer for around 2 to 3 seconds to get this firm texture. To decorate these mug cakes, I use Ziploc bags as a piping bag, and for some of these I use this piping tip. I hope you all liked today's video. The actual recipe was about vanilla cupcakes, but I experimented with it and created vanilla mug cakes recipe. So see you next time. Bye bye.